Okay, this is another tutorial video on the use of Smart Notebook software to create multimedia presentations for use in the classroom. Um, the focus of this particular tutorial is one that is not at all near and dear to me. It's quite loathsome, actually, and that is tables in Notebook. If you use the table tool in Notebook and you like it, then you are a person completely different from me. I don't use tables in Notebook at all. In fact, if I want a table in a Smart Notebook um, file, I create the table in uh, Word or PowerPoint or some other program, and then take a picture of that table and paste it in the Smart Notebook. So you lose some of the functionality there, but I don't like tables at all. The Smart Notebook tables, to me, are not very functional. Again, that's less than ideal. I don't know what I'm saying here. Copying the in is not good, but I really don't use these tables. But we'll look at how to make them, and then I'll talk about some of the reasons I don't like them. So anyway, if I click to the next slide, I give myself a blank slide here. I guess I could have done that. Opening a blank slide is the other choice. The table tool is right here. Looks like a table, and that you can see is not in the same toolbar menu. It's in the actions menu. But if I click table, I get that menu that we're kind of familiar with from some other programs like Word and PowerPoint. And I can create a table of whatever dimensions that I would want. So here's a 4x4 table. Um, and one of the things I don't like is entering text. Say I wanted to type, this is going to be the time. And now I want to center that text. Now I've got to now I've got to center that text um, one block at a time, right? So if I wanted to do center all the blocks of text here, well, maybe it's better now. I hadn't been able to do that. So we'll say this is 11. This next one we'll say is 12. So I have to double click into each cell, and this one would be 1 o'clock. So those are the times, and then I don't know what I'm going to do here. How about uh, lunch? That's nice. And this is recess, and then this would be something else. How about nap? There we go. Somebody needs a nap. So something funny here. This L that popped in here, the reason it did that is because I clicked once on this cell instead of clicking twice, and then I just got a, I guess I hadn't typed. Um, so anyway, this is a table. Entering information in it is awesome. One thing it is nice about this table is if I get that blue box, then whatever I had drags into that table element there, and that's kind of a neat feature. Um, but that's the basics of how to create a table, and I'll take it back. It's better than it was. Let's see if we can change the font of all of these cells at once. If we can, then look at that. It's much better than it used to be. So that's the basics. If you select the whole table, you can change multiple things at once. If you don't, it's a mess. But yay for Smart for making this better. Lots of reasons you could use a table, and that's the basics of using Smart Notebook tables. So hope that was enjoyable.